Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will allow you to repair the car stereo's knob of several Dacia, Lada, Nissan and Renault models using Minitools part SEI ENC001. For this repair, you will need the tools listed below. Position the radio as shown and undo the screws to remove the side's metal supports. With the head of the spudger, unhook the front part, levering on the plastic catches on the sides of the head unit. Remove the black screws from the board and release the PCB from the plastic part. With the soldering iron with chisel tip and the soldering braid, desolder the encoder pins. Remove the encoder. Replace it with the Minitools part. Solder it as it was originally. Thoroughly clean with some solvent. Reconnect the board to the front part. Reinsert the knob. Refit the head unit. Finally, position and tighten the side's metal supports. Switch on the radio. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools for doing these repairs. Thank you for choosing Minitools.